Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Saturday Question and Answer right here on Digital Outlook. And guys, I'll tell you what, boy oh boy, do we have some amazing news, and I'm sure a lot of you already know. But John Thune, guys, the leader in the Senate there, has absolutely put the Clarity Act on cloture, guys, that in fact it is on the roster for September. And this is not one of those situations where they could just, well, we changed our mind and kick the can further down the road. No, guys, this is a procedural play that he has made where they will have to have time on the floor. And the date that is set, guys, for the voting on this thing is September 15th. We are not talking that far down the line. And think about this. Here we are in a situation where, of course, the ethics piece is back over with the president and whatever. And my guess is, and a lot of other people have said so, a bunch of negotiation is going to be happening between now and the 15th of September. We're really only talking about just a little bit more than 1 month away from now. And we have been waiting for a long time in this space to get a vote on this Clarity Act. And well, guys, here it is. And I'm going to tell you right now, I 100% believe they are going to pass this thing. They are going to hammer out a deal, guys. You watch and see. It's all the back scratching that happens in Washington, D.C. with almost every piece of legislation. They know they got leverage over one another when it comes to this stuff, when it, they have to have each other's support to do it. And so you know darn well that all these, politicians are working out their backroom deals. But guys, I think this thing is going to go down, and it's going to go down in history. And when that happens, you watch and see what happens to this space, because I'm going to tell you right now, whales, guys, are buying up. Institutions are buying up XRP like it is going out of style. And in fact, I have got an article right down in the description of this video that describes this, and it is truly wild to see. Whales, guys, have added 1.23 billion XRP to their stack so far in 2026. Did you hear that? 1.23 billion XRP have been added to whale stacks while we have been in a decline. What does that tell you, guys? Because I'll tell you what, even at the lowest price that we have hit, that is still over $1.23 billion right there. And of course, throughout 2026, it has been at various prices. And they are buying, while the FUD, the fear, the uncertainty, and doubt, is being dumped all over retail. And most of retail guys are capitulating to this stuff. Now, I know a lot of you that are watching me, you've been in the space a long, long time, and you're not buying this kind of nonsense that's going out there. And I'm going to tell you right now, I congratulate you. I really do, because I know how tough it is. We feel it too. If you think Judy and I don't feel the pressure of the space when all these things happen, we do. But the thing is, those are our feelings. What's going on up here and what we know about the space, that's where our decisions are being made, not based on our emotions, but based on the fact of what we know. See, when in doubt, you've got to zoom out and research it and get more information so that you can make your decisions. That's how it goes down. See, our confidence is not based on the sentiment of the marketplace, okay? It's primarily based, of course, on the fundamentals of the marketplace. And you literally cannot make this stuff up. You can go out and see this for yourself. What is going on? And investigate this. Watch these blockchain explorers. See these whale wallets accumulate. Look at all the deals that are going down. And then you got the Bank for International Settlements, International Monetary Fund, European Central Bank, our own Federal Reserve, the World Economic Forum, you name it, the Depository Trust and Clearing Corp is right there telling you and I that they want to move into a brand new digital economy. And the DTCC does what? How many trillions of dollars of transactional volume per day when it comes to settlement? And of course, you got major players, JP Morgan, BlackRock, all the rest, all these investment houses, and they are crying to tokenize real world assets and the equity markets. What do you think is coming when they do that? It is going to be insane. I really do believe it. And that's what's going to drive the price of these things, guys. It's going to be utility. And I know right now, a lot of people say, oh, XRP is dead, one commentator said. I had to absolutely laugh. And I mean laugh out loud, because the reality is Ripple and XRP $4.5 billion already of real world asset tokenization on the XRP ledger. And there are very few ecosystems that can truly handle the volume globally that is being proposed in that tokenization of real world assets. And yet, and the XRP ledger, of course, is one of them, and yet, you got the BIS and all these other major financial organizations around the world, including the World Bank. And guess what? Read their white papers. Go out and do it. They've got Ripple splattered all over that, and the XRP ledger, that's what's going down. And the development that we have seen in terms of protocols that have been approved on the XRP ledger for security, for the ability to actually reverse transactions on assets listed on the XRP ledger, which is an absolute fiduciary responsibility. Now, not XRP can be clawed back, but of course, if a mistake is made or people are robbed and all that kind of stuff, with assets, it can. Those assets that are listed on it. That is a major deal. And to say that banks are not utilizing XRP when for literally years, since 2013, the biggest criticism, of course, of XRP was that it was a banker's coin. That right there tells you guys it is utter nonsense. They got hundreds of banking partners that are working with Ripple, working with XRP, utilizing the ledger, on and on and on. And in fact, with central bank digital currencies, get this, each and every one of those CBDCs that nation states are utilizing, right, for the evolution of their money and all that into this new digital economy, they're based off of models of the XRP ledger. Ripple, the number one, go research this, the number one developer for central bank digital currencies. Now, you think about that. XRP was designed to be a bridge asset between those, to literally replace this nostro-vostro system and open up the doors of liquidity massively. Well, what are we dealing with right now with the yen and the Japanese carry trade and the Federal Reserve going out there and supporting the yen and all of that because of the consequences that will come back? Well, we're dealing with a liquidity crisis. That's what we're dealing with. And guys, are you kidding me? You literally have the solution sitting right here on the sidelines. You can't make this up. And so what's coming, in my personal opinion, is an explosion of utility that will drive the price of these assets. Sentiment, yes, I believe that will pump it at least to the double digits. But those triple and quadruple digits that we are waiting for XRP, guys, I believe they're coming, and they're going to come with application. They're going to come with utility, with the innovation and the invention that is going to just hammer this new economy globally. It's going to be wild. And think of the tsunami of people, all those people out there that are completely oblivious to the change that is going to come upon them. And yet each and every one of them are going to be utilizing it. You don't think that'll happen? Look at these phones right here. I'm sitting here with a device in my hand, okay, recording in 4K. That was nothing but science fiction, and yet everybody, I mean practically everybody, has one of these smartphones. And do they utilize it for their day-to-day activity? Of course they do. You know, social media, what we're dealing with here, their banking, their medical appointments, you name it. People are actually having virtual medical appointments right utilizing the thing that we're holding in our hands right now. Think about this new digital economy. It is going to swallow the internet whole, guys. It is. And the innovation and invention that's coming with that is going to just be massive, phenomenal. And how many people are going to be utilizing it? Everybody, guys. Everybody's going to be in on it. Why? Because it's going to be a requirement in order to interact in this new financial system that they got going. And it's all coming down. And on September 15th, we are going to get that vote on clarity, and bam, I think that thing's going to get passed, and it's going to be off. It's going to be who let the dogs out. That's what I think is going to happen. And one thing I'm going to make no bones about right now is telling you what Judy and I are doing to get ourselves ready for that. Because I'll tell you what, guys, we have been in this space for now more than 6 years. We have seen every kind of up, down, sideways action you can imagine. And when the volatility kicks in and all of the volume that's coming, I'm going to tell you what, these exchanges that you and I have been a part of, like Coinbase, Kraken, Uphold, Robinhood, and the like, I'm going to tell you right now, if you've been here long enough, you've seen it yourself, Try and get on when the market's going wild. You can't do it. The servers go down, guys, and you're not able to execute your plan. And in fact, people have had stop losses in there. They've had limit orders. Those don't get done. It is truly mayhem. Well, I'll tell you what, Caleb and Brown is our go-to right there. Why? Because back in 2020, when it was all going like that, I figured it's going to be a race to the trough. And I heard Ben Armstrong talking about Caleb and Brown, and we signed up, and what a comfort to get on the phone and talk to our assigned broker and be able to execute our trades. And it does not cost 1 red cent to sign up with Caleb and Brown. And it also doesn't cost you a penny to talk to your broker as many times as you like. And by the way, institutional grade custody doesn't cost you a cent. The only time you pay is when you buy and when you sell. And that right there, guys, for the bag that we hold, we got a bag to hold, but we got a bag to sell, and that's where we utilize it. Now, if you can't access Caleb and Brown, we have also partnered up with UPTRADE, and UPTRADE, guys, has the same facilities, no fees to literally open up an account, talk to a broker, manage your assets in the same kind of institutional grade custody, and the only time you pay a fee there, buying and selling as well. Those links are in the description, and beyond that, make no bones about this. One of the biggest straightforward strategies that you and I can employ, guys, is to save our gains from the tax man. Well, I'll tell you what, Judy and I partnered up with iTRUST Capital, and to think that you could take some of the cash that you are using right now to buy XRP, drop that into a Roth IRA and hold that. A lot of people have a bag to hold like what we do. And in 3 to 5 years, that thing fires off into the stratosphere. Zero capital gains. You cannot beat that. And I'm going to tell you right now, there are a lot of jurisdictions around the wide world that have nothing like it as we do here in the United States. And yet so many people are not availing themselves of what's right in front of their nose. And guys, Judy did a fantastic interview with Bryce Nielsen the other day. And you can catch that on the channel of iTrust Capital explaining all there is to it. But I'll tell you, you need to actually owe it to yourself, as far as I'm concerned, to just take a look and see what is available. Links in the description for that. Guys, don't let this pass you by, because I believe that this is representing probably one of the greatest opportunities you and I have had to see a wealth change in our life. And I really do believe we are going to see it, and I think it is going to be soon. So I'll tell you, until tomorrow, we're going to have another fantastic Sugar on Sunday, great nuggets of encouragement. Guys, just keep your head up, keep your chin up, read the articles. Don't let them buffalo you out. Something big is on the way. And until then, guys, have a fabulous one and take care.